Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Y'all already know what time it is. Ain't no need to do no talking. We're going to get straight into it tonight. Okay? Y'all know what y'all voted for. All right. Now, I've only had a regular Dr. Pepper before. And that strawberry cream Dr. Pepper. But I've never tried a cherry Dr. Pepper. Okay? Let's listen. She's weak. Wait, she has something on the tail end though. I wonder if this is going to taste like, what's that one called? That P something? PB? Something like that, I think. Or Birch Beer. Is it Birch Beer? It's called, something. Y'all can't remember what it's called. But I guess I would compare it to probably like Birch Beer. Come on now, top. Good Lord. Can't even get the top off. Don't want me to drink it. Jeez. All right, y'all. Cheers. Cheers. If y'all ever had it, should nobody be hiding Dr. Peppers? Yeah. If y'all ever had it, comment down below and let me know how you liked it, okay? That's it. That's what I wanted to say, okay? Y'all, it's been a long day. Your girl is tired, all right? Once again, cheers. Y'all, I smell just, let me see. Hold on, wait. Let me squeeze a little bit. Y'all smell just like that soda, and I can't remember what it is, but it's something P. It's something P something, and who has it? Dr. Pibb. That's what it is, Dr. Pibb. It smelled just like that, y'all. I could not think of it. Then it was like, oh, and then I remembered it. Dr. Pibb, y'all. If y'all ever had a Dr. Pibb, that's what it smells like. It smells so good. And I love a Dr. Pibb, okay? When I say I love it, I love it. So I hope that this tastes like it. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Y'all, that's so delicious. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, that is so good. Yum. Yes, it reminds me of a Dr. Pibb. Ooh. And what's crazy is, y'all, you can't even find the Dr. Pibb. I think it's probably not even Dr. Pibb, y'all. Why am I calling it Is it Dr. Pibb or is it just Pibb? Y'all, I'm going to look it up. And you know I'm going to put it somewhere. It might be just Pibb. I don't know if it's Pibb or Dr. Pibb. Wow. Ooh. Whew. And y'all, that feels so good, okay? And when I say so good, I mean so good, y'all. Woo! Y'all, I had dinner, okay? And y'all, you know, after you have a good dinner, you just need a good burp. Y'all, that burp felt so good, okay? Y'all, I'm not trying to drink this whole soda, but when I tell y'all it is so good, it is so good, y'all. And I feel like they just went and they just took their whole recipe. I ain't lying. Excuse me. I believe that it is a I don't know if it's Dr. Pibb or Pibb, but I'm pretty sure somebody know what I'm talking about, okay? But it tastes just like that, y'all. So good. Like, would I purchase this again? Most definitely. Woo! Woo! Y'all, let me talk to y'all for a minute. Anyways, let me chat with y'all, okay? While your girl haven't bought y'all this video. And why it took me so long to bring y'all this video, okay? Your girl was under the weather. Y'all, I had a stomach virus, okay? Stomach bug. Something like that, y'all. So your girl was under the weather. So when I tell y'all, it feels so good to burp, okay? And feels so good to, like, feel like yourself again. Y'all feel so good to feel like me again, okay? Because when I get stomach viruses, y'all, it messes with my acid reflux. So, y'all, I just be feeling terrible, okay? So, excuse my tardiness, y'all. And I'm sorry I'm so late in bringing y'all this video. But your girl pushed through, okay? And I'm here. Do I feel 100%? No, I don't. But it's okay, because we're going to get there. All right? All right. Cheers to getting 100%. Cheers to... Cheers to feeling completely better. Cheers to getting well. Okay? And that's that on that. Wow. Ooh. That rumbled out. Ooh. Wow. Okay. And y'all know what type of burp that was. Y'all, I'm gonna take one more little sip, and then I'm getting up off of here because I want to save some for my son to taste. Because he's never had a Dr. Pepper before, so y'all, I want him to try it. Well, let's say this. Hold on, wait. Oh, excuse me. Woo! Outside of that nasty strawberry cream one, he's never had a Dr. Pepper, okay? At least not one that tastes good, all right, y'all? So I'm going to save him the rest of this Dr. Pepper, okay? But thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching my video. I appreciate y'all's support. Okay, y'all? Until we vibe again. Okay? Until we chat again. All right? Y'all, I always want to just be vibing with y'all before I chat with y'all. Don't chatting come before vibing? Like, get it together, girl. Before we chat again. Y'all, this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying, y'all. I've been under the weather, okay? Oh, excuse me. And these right here are the bloopers that I be talking about, y'all. And sometimes I feel like editing them out, and sometimes I don't. And y'all, the way that I feel, because I'm still in recovery, I don't think your girl is going to edit these bloopers out, okay? So y'all be getting the real with the real when it comes down to It's Simply Nikki. But I appreciate y'all for watching me once again. I appreciate y'all for vibing. I appreciate y'all for... I appreciate y'all for vibing with your girl today, okay, y'all? So until we chat again, and until we vibe again in tomorrow's video, all right, y'all? Bye!